Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about how LC circuits and spring mass systems are related, because I think it's pretty cool. So right here we have this simple LC circuit, two energy storage units, and we have 0 volts of potential at ground where the negative terminal of the battery is. Using all this information, we can rewrite this circuit as this. From high potential to low potential, the current's going to flow. Kind of like a ball. Because look at this ball. If we bring it up in the air, it's going to have high potential. When it hits the ground, it'll have low potential, 0 potential. Just like the circuit. When it hits the ground, it has 0 volts of potential. And this is why the gravitational force is the negative derivative of potential. Same thing with the electric field's force. It's the negative gradient of potential. So, using Newton's model of gravity and voltage are analogs of each other. And because of that, we can treat inductances as sort of masses and capacitances as sort of springs. Because think about it. When you have an inductor like this, it resists changes in current. It doesn't like it when current changes super quick. Just like a mass, because everything has inertia. So you can relate Newton's second law and the voltage drop across an inductor. Same thing with kinetic energy and the energy stored in an inductor. They're very similar, almost eerily similar. And a capacitor, it sort of functions like a spring. It likes to store potential. And it has a very, very eerily similar equation to the spring force. And same thing with potential energy. Well, elastic potential energy. So yeah, using all of this information, we can basically say our circuit's like dropping a ball on the spring with no losses. It's going to go back and forth forever, just like this simple harmonic oscillator, this box right here. So it's basically a spring mass. And if you solve this differential equation, you get the same solution you would if you solved a simple harmonic oscillator's position function, if you solved for it. So yeah, it's really cool to think about, but this is why you can run simulations using capacitors and inductances as springs and masses. Anyway, thank you all.